Drops and raindrops, motion got me all faded. My heart got me going all crazy, and I won't be walking away.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. I'm doing great myself. In today's video, I want to show you a very simple home remedy. In fact, this home remedy has a lot of benefits. I'm going to share with you guys what this home remedy can do. So I'll go straight ahead and show you the items we'll be using for this simple home remedy. We have turmeric. This is turmeric right here, and what I have on my plate is actually the quantity you'll be needing for this home remedy. Okay, this is turmeric. All right, I'm going to be using this turmeric, but not actually all. I'm going to do just a little bit. And this is garlic. I'm not going to use the whole of this garlic. I'm going to use about 3/4 of this garlic. I'm going to show you in a bit. And this is ginger right here, and this is cloves. This is about 1 tablespoon of cloves. This is what we're going to be using for this home remedy. 1 tablespoon. Why I'm really doing the measurement, because I have a lot of questions with my home remedies. People always come back in the comment section to ask about the measurements and all that, so I felt like it's necessary for me to show you the measurements like right now. Okay, so yeah, that is the items we'll be needing. Of course, we need water. You need your water. You have to be like clean water, boiled water, mineral water. You need your drinking water. This is 1.5 liter, so we're going to be using 1.5 liter for all these items you're seeing on this plate right here. So before I go into the preparation, how are we who are the people who are supposed to take this home remedy? How is this home remedy beneficial? If you're planning to get pregnant, this home remedy is called combo. Have you ever heard of combo? This is combo right here. It's basically turmeric, garlic, ginger, and cloves. If you plan to get pregnant, please go ahead and take this combo, guys. Take combo, like go ahead and take combo. Do you understand? Take this combo. All right, so it's very, very important if you're trying to get pregnant. What it does, it cleans your entire system. If you have infection, I mean, it just clean your uterus, especially if you have like scanty menstruation. Like a lot of women, when they have their menstrual period, like they don't really have like the normal flow, is very scanty. It is going to correct that. Cis menstruation is going to correct that. I mean, it will definitely, like, if you take it when you're on your menstrual flow, when you're on your menstrual period, guys, you will see the things that will come out of your body. You will have some clotted blood coming out. You will see the quantity, the amount of blood is going to increase. It's not going to be your normal flow, but I mean, this is for people who have like normal menstrual flow. But if you have like heavy bleeding due to fibroids and other things, please do not take it when you're on your period. Okay, but it's very good if you take it when you're on your period. It's going to clean your system. Clean. You can take it any other time. I'm just saying, like, this is one of the benefits. It will get rid of infection. It will clean your system. Now, for people who have low libido, like if you're married and you've lost that in the other room, okay, you don't feel like always going in the other room to do your normal business, please, you're welcome to take combo. Like, you're welcome to take combo. Combo is going to give you that kick. Like, you're going to have like, it is going to go back and awaken all the zeal, all the pleasure in you. It is very good for couples who feel that like they don't have that feelings, the libido is no more, the libido is low. If you want to increase your libido, if you want to give their body that kick, that take this combo. It is very, very good, guys. Very, very good. I'm telling you, when you take it, you're going to be on another, like, you're going to be on another planet entirely. Like, okay, let me just end there. Let me just stop there for now. All right, so these are one of the benefits of taking combo. It's very beneficial. You don't have anything to lose, guys. You don't have anything to lose at all. People who are not supposed to take combo, if you're pregnant, don't take combo. If you're breastfeeding, please do not take combo. Okay, combo, you can take it, is both for male and female. If you're trying to take combo for conception, don't take it when you're ovulating. Don't take it when you're ovulating, or don't take it during your most fertile days. All right, because it's just going to like, it will destroy the eggs. We don't want that. Okay, it's going to hinder conception. It's going to just don't take it when you're ovulating, and don't take it when you're your most fertile day. All right. And also, if you're on medications, please do not take combo, because we don't want them to counteract, you know, we don't want issues to happen. So if you're on medications, please do not take combo. You can take combo any other time. If you're not trying to get pregnant, also you can take combo to clean your system for infection, for your for your uterus entirely, and your menstrual flow. You can use to clean your system. Okay. Guys, this is the items which I have peeled and washed. This is your turmeric. Look at my hands, like it will definitely stain your hands. You turn your hands to like yellow. And this is the ginger right here. This is the garlic. I didn't use all the garlic. I used this just about 8 pieces of garlic right here, and this is 1 tablespoon of cloves. This is the items which you're going to be using. All right, and of course I'll just go straight ahead and slide this item, put them in this water. You slice them, or you cut them into small pieces before putting them into this water right here. So the items that has been sliced, I'll just go ahead and reduce this water first, because it's too full, right? We don't want it full. I'll go ahead and reduce the water. Then later I can just add in more water if I need to add in more water. I'll just put in the items into the water. So how you're going to be taking this, when you prepare this, you have to keep it for 3 days, 72 hours. Okay, for 3 days before using it. Look at the turmeric. So you keep it in a cool place, not in the refrigerator. Keep it at room temperature for 3 days, and after 3 days you can start taking in half glass in the morning and half glass at night, last thing before you go to bed. Half glass in the morning, first thing in the morning on an empty stomach before you have your breakfast. Take half glass of this combo. And then if you feel that you're not satisfied with the result, you can mix another one and take it for another 7 days. After that 7 days, you have to stop entirely. You cannot go beyond that, because I think this one is going to last you for 7 days, if I'm not mistaken. So if you feel like you're not satisfied with the result, maybe the infection is still there, or you feel like you need to take more, just go ahead and take it for another 7 days only. Do not exceed. After that 7 days, then you can actually stop, all right, and wait for the next month before you can do this combo again. So this is basically how you're going to put all the items. This is the combo right here, guys. This is it. This is how it's looking like. So you have to make sure that all the items are fresh. You want to use fresh items for this home remedy, please. All items fresh. Do not come in the comment section and ask me if you have the powder form, or if you have, yeah, most of the time you ask me if you have the powder form, what's the measurement. Actually, I wouldn't know the measurement if it's powder, because I usually use fresh items. And in this remedy, for this home remedy, sorry, you need to use all items should be fresh. Okay, no dry items, no powdered items, everything should be fresh. And that'll be all for now, guys. I hope that this video is going to bless someone. I hope that this video is going to help a soul, and they want to share this video. Share, okay, share this video. You might never know who is in need of this combo right here. If you're watching this video and you feel that this is not what you want, or this is not what you need, share this video. There are a lot of people out there who need this home remedy. Okay, so give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment down below this video if you have any questions for me. And of course, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do not leave without hitting that subscribe button. It's right down below this video in red, and endeavor to turn on the notification bell as well, so whenever I upload a new video, you will get to watch it. So that'll be all for now, guys. I'll see you again in my next one. To have a great day. Bye.